my bountiful Philippines, where beauty, history, and culture come alive. A land where every island tells a story, every tradition carries meaning, and every smile reflects the warmth of people. Blessed with breathtaking natural wonders and a rich cultural heritage, the Philippines is more than just a destination. It is a journey through history, identity, and pride. From majestic mountains and crystal clear waters to vibrant festivals and timeless traditions, the beauty of our nation can be found in every corner of our archipelago. But beyond the landscapes lies the true heart of the Philippines, our people. A people known for their resilience, compassion, hospitality, and unwavering spirit. Our heritage lives on through every dance we perform, every song we sing, every masterpiece we create, and every story we proudly pass on to future generations. As a Filipina, I carry these stories with pride. They remind me of where I come from, the values that shape me, and the responsibility of preserving our cultural legacy.